All-on-4 treatment explained in 3 minutes. I'm Dr. Ash, I'm an implant surgeon and I'm here to answer your biggest questions about missing teeth and dental implants. You may have heard the term All-on-4 or also All-on-X, All-on-6, same-day teeth, teeth in a day. All of these things are pretty much the different terminologies for the same treatment, which is a treatment used to manage and treat a terminal dentition. What does that mean? A terminal dentition is a dentition or a set of teeth that can no longer be restored, it cannot be brought back to life, it cannot be saved, and hence we know that the teeth will need to be removed and replaced with a prosthetic. So the All-on-X treatment is something that combats that, and it involves using dental implants to replace your teeth that are dying with a brand new set of prosthetic teeth. So what are the things that are involved about All-on-X? The first and key thing is to make sure that the planning is done properly. Are you really a suitable patient? You need to make sure that your surgeon knows your full medical history, they know exactly your dental history, why is it the reason you've ended up in the place that you've had, because that's going to affect how they decide and to pursue your treatment. That's really, really important, okay? Alongside that, you need good photographs, you need to work quite closely with a laboratory team that can design exactly what your smile is going to look like. So the first part of the treatment is the planning stage, which I would say is the most important part. Once that's done, the second part is actually getting in and getting the surgical done. So that involves you coming in. Most of the time, this is quite an advanced, quite a high-end treatment. I would advise not only local anesthetic, but I would advise that you get sedated for the treatment, and once you're sedated and relaxed, your teeth are removed, your implants are placed, and your prosthetic is connected to those implants. So you will walk out on that day with fixed teeth. That is unbelievable, okay? There is a bit of a healing period involved, and there's some strict dietary requirements that we'll discuss in a different video. Once that's done, you normally come back about 10 to 12 weeks later with your temporary teeth, and your surgeon will then go and work alongside with the lab team to provide you with the final prosthetic. The final prosthetic is designed very similar to the temporary, but it has a metal bar, usually either made from titanium or cobalt chrome, that sits on top, that provides the strength and that gives you your final teeth. And the final stage is long-term maintenance. It's definitely not fit and forget. You've got to make sure that these are looked after, seeing the hygienist and the dentist regularly. There you go. All-on-4 treatment in 3 minutes. If you like that and it was good, please like our page and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.